Hello, my name is Marcello with 3S Shooting Sports Software. Today I'm going to show you how to ensure that the server application is allowed through the Windows Firewall. This is a very important step, especially if you're going to be running in networked mode. If the server is not allowed through the firewall, then the clients will have no way to connect to the server. Alright, so let's begin. The first thing that we're going to do is come down to the bottom left-hand corner of the screen and open the Start menu. Then we're going to go ahead and start typing allow an app, and what should show up is allow an app through the Windows Firewall. We're going to go ahead and open that. Once that's opened, we're going to come up here to the button that says Change Settings. It'll have a little shield next to it. Once that is clicked and grayed out, you should be able to change settings in here. So what we're going to do is we are going to click on any one of these items, and then we're going to start typing in server, S-E-R-V-E-R. Now here, underneath the S's, we can see that an application called Server3S is not found. So what we're going to do is we're going to select allow another app, we're going to select browse, and then what we're going to do is we're going to go to this PC, we're going to open up the C drive, go to the 3S folder, go to the lowercase shoot pro folder, and then we'll click on any one of those items and start typing in server. Once we find Server3S, we'll double click on that application, and then we're going to go ahead and select add. So here we can see that Server3S is now in the allowed applications, and we're going to make sure that both the public and private checkboxes are selected. So now we're going to go ahead and click OK. And if we go ahead and open up allow an app through a firewall, we can see that Server3S is allowed on the server computer. Now, this is only something you need to worry about on the server. On the client machines, you don't need to allow anything through the firewall. So that's going to be it for today.
If you have any questions, feel free to email us at support@shootingsportsoftware.com or call us at 1-801-396-7800. If you like that video, hit the thumbs up button. If you'd like to see when we post new content, hit the subscribe button. And if you'd like to receive notifications on when we post new videos, hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching.